Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. Today I am going to tell you about the Erasmus Mundus Scholarship Program for the academic year 2022 to 2023. That is a fully funded program. So the wait is over. Now you can apply for the Erasmus Mundus Scholarship Program. The Erasmus Scholarship Catalog has been updated for the academic year 2022-2023. The Erasmus Mundus Scholarship for international students is a master and PhD degree scholarship to study in different European universities in different countries of Europe. All the expenses will be covered under this scholarship program, and no GRE requirement, no need to contact the professor. Result of a student can also apply for this scholarship program. Last year they allowed 2,450 scholarship to international students. Now this year they will support 2,756 scholars. Erasmus is one of the highly prestigious scholarship of Europe in almost every major field. There is no previous work experience requirement. You will study each semester in different countries and a different university, as well as you will do a part-time internship as a training in different countries. Oh wow, this is a very good opportunity. The duration of the scholarship is 2 years for master program and 3 years for the doctoral program. The Erasmus scholarship is open to any citizen from any part of the world. Details about Erasmus Mundus Scholarship 2022 to 2023. The scholarship country is Europe and the other European countries, and the funded by European Commission, and the financial coverage is fully funded, and the degree level is master and PhD, not for bachelor program. The deadline is program are open and will end in March 2022. Each course has a different deadline, so you can check the deadline. And the total number of scholarship are 2,756. The benefits of Erasmus scholarship is monthly stipend almost 1100 to 1200 euro per month, and free tuition fee, traveling allowance, international airfare ticket, a travel allowance from country to country when your semester will be finished. From here, and which countries are offering this program, it is clearly mentioned here. For example, I am going to apply the European Master in Nuclear Physics. So go to the website here. The project location are Spain, Italy and France. The application form, you have to first of all fill it, and then after that take a PDF of it. So guys, this is a very simple form. I mean, you have to write your personal details, your language proficiency, your academic qualification, and your educational background, declaration and signature. So guys, this is very simple form. You have to simply fill it out and all the documents uploaded it on the required field. So guys, hope so now you are aware that how you can apply for the Erasmus Mundus scholarship program. So guys, don't waste your time if you are planning to study in a European country. So this is a very good opportunity, and a lot of number of scholarship are offered by the European Commission. So guys, remember me in your prayer, and also share this video in your friend circle so that they can also benefit from this prestigious scholarship program. Thank you so much guys. Take care. Allah Hafiz.